Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Banking Professionals Make It Possible. So today I'm going to share how to download Affairs Cloud PDF because many of you asked this in the comment and recently I have seen that comment, so I'm going to upload this. So here you can see this is the app and I'm just opening this. After clicking Current Affairs 2022, you will see the path and here you can see so many topic wise and so many content available here. So this is in English and Hindi, banking awareness, exam CA, all the topics you can see here. So I'm going to click on Current Affairs English. Here you can see daily. If you want to read it, you can click here and you can download it. Now you can read it in your PDF format. So yes, now you can read it here. If you want to see monthly, then you can see the July. Here you can see weekly PDF also available here. I will suggest you all to read pocket PDF if you have not read on daily basis. So now you can see there is a pocket PDF I have already downloaded and doing from here. So after clicking on read, I'm clicking Google PDF viewer and yes, you can read here. You can see there are 152 pages and according to the static, according to the most question asked from the topic, you can choose your topic and read it again and again so that you can cover maximum current affairs for the examination. So yes, if you want to know that where it goes, so you can check your file. Here you can see the file manager. Here you can see in download section you will find that. So I hope you got your answer that how to download current affairs PDF from Affairs Cloud. And if you have not subscribed this PDF course, I will suggest you all to subscribe the PDF and read it on daily basis. You can see that there are so many quizzes also available here. So wish you all the very best for your preparation. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.